Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel, Beauty and Best. I hope you all are doing well. So I've come up with another video, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how to keep your skin glowing, hydrated and moisturized this winter or dry season as well. So without any delay, let's start with the video. So for that, what we need is that we need an aloe vera, which I have with me. So we already know that aloe vera has a high medicinal properties and beauty properties. So usually we find aloe vera in every kind of products, whether it be hair products, whether it be facial products, or whether it be any medicines, or whether it be toothpaste as well. We know that it has high content of vitamins and minerals in it. So how it's beneficial for our skin, let's find out. Take an aloe vera like this, and it has a thorny portion here, so we just cut it out. We'll just cut it out like this from both the sides, and then we just make a small pieces like this. So when we peel off that outer cover of aloe vera, what we see inside is the slimy gel, right? So that is what it is useful for, whether it be for skin, whether it be for hair, or whether it be for any medicinal purpose. So that is what we are going to apply directly to our face. So we'll just remove this like this, and then we'll keep it aside, and this portion we'll just rub it on our face. Because of the water content in it, it cools down our skin and it hydrates our skin. When we apply like this, it will help in moisturizing our skin as well, and it also removes all kind of blemishes or any kind of skin problems we have. Aloe vera gel, it helps in fixing all kind of skin problems. This aloe vera gel, it not only cures all kind of skin diseases and problems, but also it gives beautiful and glowing skin. So after applying evenly to your face, just leave it for 20 to 25 minutes, and then you can just wash it off. After removing the aloe vera gel from my face, you can see the much fairer and the glowing skin than before. So if you also make it a habit of applying the aloe vera gel on your face, then you'll be getting the glowing and healthy look than before, and you'll be getting rid of all kind of skin diseases or problems on your whatever is there on your skin. And if you have any kind of other recommendations or other suggestions which you want me to make a video out of it, please do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll definitely try to make a video on it. And that's all for today. I hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, then please do share with your friends, families, everyone around you. And please do subscribe to my channel, Beauty and Best. I'll see you next Wednesday and every Wednesday with more such videos. Till then, bye-bye. Love you all.